Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm making a simple breakfast. First, I'm walking into the kitchen. The kitchen is quiet and clean this morning. I'm opening the refrigerator to get some ingredients. I'm taking out 2 eggs and a carton of milk. Now I'm placing them on the kitchen counter. Next, I'm grabbing a small bowl from the cabinet. I'm cracking the first egg into the bowl. Now I'm cracking the second egg. I'm adding a little milk to the eggs. Then I'm mixing everything with a fork. The mixture looks smooth and ready to cook. Next, I'm placing a frying pan on the stove. I'm turning the heat to medium. The pan is slowly getting warm. Now I'm adding a small piece of butter. The butter is melting and covering the pan. I'm pouring the egg mixture into the pan. The eggs are starting to cook. I'm gently stirring them with a spatula. The eggs look soft and fluffy. While the eggs are cooking, I'm preparing some toast. I'm putting 2 slices of bread into the toaster. Now I'm waiting for the bread to become golden brown. The toast is ready. I'm placing it on a clean plate. Then I'm spreading a little butter on top. The warm toast smells wonderful. Now I'm making a cup of coffee. I'm pouring hot water into my favorite mug. The smell of fresh coffee fills the kitchen. Everything is almost ready. I'm placing the eggs and toast on the table. Then I'm bringing over my coffee. My breakfast looks simple but delicious. Now I'm sitting down to enjoy my meal. The eggs are soft and the toast is crispy. The coffee is hot and comforting. I'm enjoying this peaceful morning breakfast. It's a great way to start the day.